Clarification regarding naman sa goaltending. Okay. Dun sa last 15 seconds na situation with Lucero again. Okay, our trail referee who administered the inbound, si Mr. Ray Yante, missed to call a goaltending because of his position. Okay, so that's the only answer or I can give you right now. Okay, mali ang pwesto niya, he was not able to call a goaltending. But again, with the rules that we have, we reviewed it, but again, that's after the fact already. Magnolia already fouled the rain or shine player. But again, we add the 2 points because of our rule regarding reviewables on our miss goaltending.
Kung nang pagka goaltending ni Jonard, hindi pwedeng i-review agad yun?
Because there was no call. If there was a call, kanina nga yung pinag-usapan namin ni Com, if there was a call, right then and then, we could have reviewed it, na-stop natin, then basket count, all ang score, bola ng rain or shine.
Pero wala kasing call.
Yeah, there was no
Nagkaroon
call.
na lang ng call nung pumal.
Yes, there was a dead ball, that's the only time. Actually, here's the thing. If the Magnolia, well, of course, it's a strategy, aspect, Kung sakali lang na hindi fumaul si Magnolia, tas play resumed, tas there's a dead ball na out of bounds, pwede namin reviewin tayong score.
Kaso may prior na,
Yes.
yata to foul if they miss the
Yes, yun ang instruction. Just citing an example naman, Jerry.
Kung sabi kasi ni Coach Chito, it cost yung hindi natawag na goaltending cost them the game. So, anong reaction niyo po dun
That's
sa...
that's his opinion. That's his opinion. Well, me as a former coach, I fully understand yung ganung sentiment, but ang kagandahan nga sa rules natin, pwede natin siyang i-review eh. Nung araw wala tayong ganun, that's a missed call already, diba? But the thing was, there was a free throw, na-miss yung second free throw, then they were not able to get the rebound. Okay. Kaya lumobo pa yung lamang eh, diba? Again, I'm not saying this just to give an excuse doon sa what transpired, what happened, may oras pa. That's my opinion.
Kung yung kay Coach Tito, ba't hindi sinawagan ng technical foul? Sila Coach Yang mismo nagsasign ng technical foul on the sideline.
Precisely what Mr. Terrado mentioned. We don't want to decide the game with that technical foul. The score was tied that time. Okay? So if that will happen to Coach Cheng, to Coach Chot, or to whoever coaches, probably we do the same. Because we want to save the game. We don't want to give a technical during that time with the seconds to go and tie the score. Okay? It applies to all teams, to all coaches. So to all coaches who've been telling the media that pag si ganito, pag si ganyan, come on. Alam nyo, situational yan nangyayari, case to case, okay? You're given a technical, sometimes you don't. So don't tell me because it's Team Cone, because it's Chot Reyes, because it's you're only ganito, ganyan. Okay? So again, the referees have this feel for the game. Okay? For everybody who understood the game, nangyayari yung ganitong sitwasyon. Okay?
Pero if the lead was 4 or 5 points, pwedeng i-technical.
Well, I still can say, Jerry, kung mabibigay hindi. Again, feel for the game, tinitingnan natin what's good for the game, lalo na ganung endgame. But if you want to be yung technical sa lahat ng pagkakataon, yes, pwede natin bigyan. Anyone, anytime.
Kung may sanction po ba na sa referee? Kasi nga, meron sinabi nyo na rin na parang tawag yung goal.
We call it ROTC, rest of the conference. So referee Yante won't be able to officiate for the rest of the conference. Hindi pa alam ni Com yun.
Siya lang, Com?
Siya lang yung nakamiss. So yung recommendation ko, pag pinayagan ni Com, okay na. Which I think he will agree.
Rest of his life.
Rest of his life.
Yung iba, yung ibang tumawag.
Kung doon lang sa goaltending, Jerry, si Ray talaga ang nakamiss. Yung trail referee. Okay, here's the thing. Pwede ba sabihin na yung lahat ko? Okay, because of the 4-point line, we have this mechanics sa trail referee every time you give administer the inbound on a seconds to go situation. Ang maling nangyari, because of the 4-point line, he was not able to move forward. Ang mechanics kasi dapat nasa tip ng extended ng arc ang pwesto ng trail referee. So I'm not blaming the 4-point line. Nagkamali lang talaga yung referee na hindi umatake. If you move forward, magiging mas visible probably yung goaltending na yun, yung pagtama ng bola muna bago ma-block ni Clarito. Ang ilalim na referee, yung lead referee, hindi ganun kaklaro ang vista noon sa ilalim. And then the center referee, nasa opposite side sa tapat ng Magnolia bench. Ang blanca nangyari sa other side. So may ang vista talaga, ang primary noong area na yun is for the trail referee sa taas. That's why yung iba nagreklamo, bakit ito ang tumawag, ito yung nasa tapat. Dito bumuki, pag-ikot ng player.
Alam ng mga coaches.
Yes, alam yun sa coaches meeting.
Kung yung suspension kay Mr. Yante is recommendation lang or ano na yun, in effect?
In effect. In effect.
Yung Coach SOP na yung dying seconds, score time, no technicals sa...
Hindi naman, but...
Kailan sila tatawagin?
Actually, yung antics o yung ginawa naman ni Chito was done during a dead ball situation. Kung nangyari yung pumasok siya on a live ball, that's automatic. Tsaka ito, kahon na kahon tayo. If I may also, pag profane language, ang coaches, kahit sino ka, technical ka. Player ka, technical ka. Dahil profane language.
Ano po siya sa sahig?
Actually, nakita ko na lang yun nung huli. Kanina nakita namin ni Com.
Ano po sa sahig?
Ano po sa sahig. Kasi ang initially was asking for a foul. Doon sa drive ni Lucero. Eh wala namang foul.
Pag ganun, foul contest, ganun ba?
Kung may foul yon, mas magandang kung may naitawag na foul kasi na-review namin.
Yes.
So, ang problema nun, wala kaming real-time na yung makokorrect namin kasi nga there was no dead ball. The only dead ball was from the foul committed.
Or for the referee to
I-basket. Kasi sa next dead ball lang kami nakaka-correct. Pero while the game is ongoing, kino-correct naman namin, nire-review naman namin. That's why minsan, di ba, merong 2 or 3 na stepping, hindi namin ini-stop ang laro, and then for the next dead ball, kino-correct namin. Sabihin ng Barker, after the reviews, certain time, player na nakashoot ng 2 or 3. Example ko lang naman.
Yung goaltending call ulit, di ba nga nire-review after the incident na, I mean kahit diba, second quarter, gano'n naman nangyayari?
Yes. The last play, yung kay save, it could have happened earlier. And just right now magnify because of course it's an end game situation, but if it could happen earlier, nare-review naman namin yun without stopping the game. So the next dead ball, like what I mentioned, we correct it.
I know it's too early, but yung bang ganong procedure, do you think okay
We're
naman?
the only
yung-
league was this kind of rules na we can review
the
the goaltending. If I can remember it right, it happened also in Inares Antipolo when Paul Lee drove to the basket tapos si Brownlee tried to block long time ago. Yun doon nabuo yun kasi si Chito din nagrereklamo, pa-layup si Paul Lee na blanka ni Brownlee pero tumama muna sa board. During that time we didn't have this rule, so we're not able to add 2 points. So considered lang yun na miss call. Which again, ibang liga ganun. It's considered a miss call. Okay.
So kung lang for the sake of kunwari lang nangyari yung goaltending at the 11 minute and the 50-second mark kasi hindi tumigil yung laro.
Okay, we have this whole quarter that we can change. Pero pag nag-lapse si quarter na yon, hindi mo na mababago. So sometimes, di ba, natapos ang second quarter, entering the third, that's where our correction comes in before mag-start si third quarter.
Kung paulit nga yung 0.8 seconds, ba't hindi mo nilaro?
Again, we base it on the stoppage ng referee, pag-stop niya ng clock. So, during that time, yesterday, doon kami nag-base. But again, for the review kanina umaga, we found out na at least may 0.8 pa. Then again, after checking, kasi nga kiniklaim din ni Magnolia, it could have been their ball. After checking, it was Lucero's hand who touched the ball last.
Hindi naman inano ng Reynolds. Dapat yun yung time pa pala.
Hindi naman. Kasi Magnolia wrote us, yun nga, para lang i-clarify yung mga situation na yun.
Sa 0.8, pwede pang 1 play.
Tip in.
Adamson sa Derek Fisher. Si Hierro.
More.
Meron pa. Hindi natin maaalis sa larong basketball ang breaks of the game. Okay? Again, I'm not making excuses. I admit we made a mistake. Okay? But again, breaks of the game are part of any sporting event. Okay?